Well, the trade set up for the day today, independent of what happens there, the markets have shown their hand that there is going to be stress on the screen. So if you look at yesterday's session, by the way, I mean, most things ended in the red. Very few stocks or very few indices. None of the sectoral indices were in the green, by the way. Most stocks are in the red. The thing is, if you look at where the highest concentrations are, and that's my trade setup for the day today, 22,200 strike put has very large OI concentration. The markets are likely to start off lower than that, very likely. And if indeed we stay lower, and if indeed we see some bit of unwinding on those put options, that could in the second half put some more pressure. Remember, by the time Europe will open, will react to the US market pullback as well as this constant talk of developing geopolitical conflict. So I think that remains a clear and present danger. The Bank Nifty support, the Bank Nifty was amongst the worst performing indices yesterday, weightage wise, and that support is at 47,500. We are 250 points away. If it breaks that, then significantly lower positions open up on the technical side, which brings active Bank Nifty traders into action as well. What's weathering the storm thus far are commodity stocks, but it's very difficult to predict which one would be the winner. Now we know that windfall tax has been increased as well, and therefore all oil upstream comes into focus in the session today. You watch out for Reliance, watch out for ONGC, etc. Very difficult to call what will be the winner. ONGC had a fabulous day yesterday. Who knows what will happen today? And just purely, it sounds very counterintuitive, Alex, but for the last 12 months, nobody would have thought that you will call telecom as the pocket to hide in. But that certainly seems to be the case, courtesy what's happening with Vodafone. I mean, Vodafone was up 3%. Bharti was active in trade yesterday. Bharti Hexacom has been reasonably okay. Today there is a note from Jefferies, and I'll talk about that. So somehow it seems that Indus Tower is active. So somehow telecom seems to be that pocket, which might be the place to hide. But otherwise, very difficult to predict where you can hide if you want to.
The other aspect, in my follow-up to the points that you were making on the action in the F&O space, how much of a factor will be the holiday tomorrow and the fact that in this degree of uncertainty, perhaps you don't want to carry positions?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, yes, very much so. And therefore, there could be... So that's the other... I don't know if it's an antidote to significantly short positions or no, but yeah, you are right on specific stocks as well. A lot of people will be very cagey carrying on the positions, considering how volatile the world is, Alex. Hit the nail on the head, really.
Okay.